Welcome to this tutorial on how to make stickers in Canva. Let's start by going to the Elements tab. Search for Cartoon and click on Graphics. Choose the graphic you like, add it to the page, and adjust its size and position as needed. Next, head to the Share option and download this page. Now, upload the downloaded file onto Canva. Add a new page and change the background color to gray. Drag the uploaded file onto the new page. Click on BG Remover to remove the background. Then go to the Edit tab, scroll down and click on Shadows Effect. Select Outline and adjust the outline size to around 40. And set the color to white. And there you have it. You've successfully created a sticker in Canva. I hope this video was helpful for you. Thank you for watching.